What's up guys, so today you're gonna hear the sound of the China Akrapovič exhaust that I bought from Shopee. So here is the baffle that I removed. It is easy to remove. It uses a size 5 hex screw. So you just have to insert the baffle and then put the screw. So here's the hex screw and this one is the size 5. So it's color black because of the smoke. So the first thing that we're gonna do is start the bike without the baffle. So even though this has the raw sound, it's still not the same when you're right here. So now we will hear the sound when I return the baffle. So that's how easy it is to place it in. But honestly, I like it better with the baffle. So here it is. So that's it guys. So actually I really like it with the baffle on. I like the sound better when accelerating with the baffle on. So it's up to you guys if you like the sound or not, but this just cost me 6,000 pesos all in all. So I don't really expect much, but it does the job, so it works fine for me. So if you're looking for a budget muffler or full exhaust system for your Mt07, I'll link the video where I bought it and how I installed it if you are interested, and please do like and subscribe to our channel so I can know what videos you want and we can make more videos like this. So keep safe, have a nice day, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.